Deficit financing. Governments routinely spend more money than they collect, creating a structural hole. Imagine a government that plans to spend $100 billion, but only collects $80 billion from its citizens. Fundamentally, deficit financing means meeting that gap by creating new money. But how nations measure that gap changes the math entirely. In the Western model, you strictly compare total spending against current tax revenues, leaving a massive, highly visible $20 billion gap. To fill this hole, Western nations primarily take out public loans and only sometimes resort to printing new money. But what happens to the math if you count those public loans as part of your normal revenue days? Welcome to the Indian model. Here, total revenue already includes those borrowings, meaning their official deficit is only the tiny gap left over after all loan money has been exhausted. Because loans are already baked into the revenue side, this final net deficit can only be covered one way, by creating fresh, newly printed currency. So when you look at that exact same budget shortfall, that gap means borrowing in the West, but printing in India.